Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning System, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. Here we are at the factory. Orders are coming in. It's October 14, 2020. We have a freshly powder coated brand spanking new frame that I just built, and this will be a compact 45 just like this one. This one is like a working man's gray. It was the color in which the guy wanted in California. All our units with the compact series all have the Kohler engines, and the Access Point heat exchangers are on all our truck mounts. We have 7 models, from the Aviator 36 all the way to the 47XL. That one over there is a 45 SC, and this again is the compact 45. That one will be one as well. Now, if it's a compact 36, the difference will be a 23.5 horse Kohler and a 36 size blower, which is a 3LR in Suterbilt. This is a 4MR in Suterbilt, and which is like a 45 in Roots, and it gets about 410 CFM. You can put about 450 feet of hose on this unit, and as you can see, when it connects to here, the airflow comes through and right out straight through. It doesn't go through obstacles like so many of these manufacturers. All they want to do is condense everything together in a tight package where it makes it impossible to fix, holds in higher heat, because most of them all have louvered covers, and they have trapped in heat, and a lot of times they'll put fans in here. There's no need for fans. This is a open concept, and we've been doing this for 15 years. We know what we're doing. People have our units, and they run them like workhorses. There's that beautiful 45 SC. I can't wait to finish it in the next few days. This one is going out to California. We have another one going to Hawaii. And we got 2 more builds coming in, and it's just been straight out. I mean, this is October, the middle of October in 2020. And we've been busy all the way from 2019 all the way into this year. Despite COVID-19, we've just been really busy. And you can see all the films that I've had throughout the pandemic, late night filming, working a lot of hours to make sure that we meet our schedule for our customers. And we're famous for our headers and our heaters and the high quality open concept units and the truck mounts that we build with our quarter plate, all nicely powder coated. Nothing here is painted. And 3,500 pounds pressure rated Access Point heat exchanger. That's the icon of our Blue Baron series of truck mounts, which are 7 models from the Aviator 36 straight up to the 47XL. And the compact 45 is a popular truck mount that we sell a lot of, and the 47XL is another popular model, the 45 SC. They're all popular models. What can I say? We got a lot of second-time buyers that have the same unit, and they'll buy another unit and add to another truck. And so anytime you need references to those individuals that have bought a second Blue Baron, I'd be more than happy to give you that number and call them and ask them what they think of the truck mounts. And we've even had people buy used ones and then turn around and call me and say, hey, I want a brand new one, After seeing the quality of the way we put these units together and the engineering and performance, what can I say? I mean, people just like what we do. And we've been 15 years in the industry of building these truck mounts out of my 41 years in the industry total. And everything is just so user-friendly. Solid headers, full instrument panel. What can I say? We got even accessory plug over here. You decide to hook up something here for the demand pump or your pump out. We can add another port, separately fused if you like. Have a drain out for your pump oil. We also have over here another drain for the engine. So that just goes underneath. We just put it up here to keep it nice and safe. So the Kohler engines are great. What can I say? They just run. And all stainless braided hoses. Look at this. A lot of companies are just trying to get around not having to spend the money. But the interesting part about these braided hoses is they're all 500 degrees rated, temperature rated, 3000 psi. They're Navy JIC standard flares that we use, so the military standard. People use them on brake lines and many other applications, but we use them for our truck mounts, and we go all out to spend the extra money to get high quality parts. Bar stocked, this is not a casting, but this is made from bar stock, which means that it's heavier duty, needs to be tooled, and it's a higher quality part, which takes higher pressure, much more durability. So we spend a lot of money on our brass, and we take pride in everything we do. We have last step injection to keep the chemical from running through your coils and your fittings, so it terminates through a check valve out to the front of the machine. Our water box, and we have filtration as well. And as you can see, it's just maxed out quality. I take a lot of pride in what I do. And call us today at 727-505-2989. I'll answer any of your questions. We're open 6 days a week. We have a store that's 24/7, truckmountstore.com. And we're here for you and to be successful in your business with a great truck mount that's a workhorse. Will give you minimal problems, not like the other truck mounts that are always breaking down. No heat issues, all open concept, easy breathe, easy maintenance. Pull guards in the back so you can line up your blower properly and make sure that everything's lined up. We even have one over here for your pump and have a push-off bracket and behind the pump on the other side of this grill here. So call us today at 727-505-2989 again, and give us a call and look for our videos. We'll have more online on our tube channel, Mr. Blue Baron 1. Thank you.